Take a look at this channel for a second. Now check these one. These channels are getting huge views with consistent uploads, and almost every single upload breaks the 1 million view mark. So what's going on here? Why are these channels performing so well? The answer is simple: human curiosity. Humans are fascinated by the unknown. Extinct creatures, deep sea life hiding in darkness, animals that look unreal, almost alien. Our brains are naturally drawn to this kind of content. And the best part? This niche doesn't rely on trends. It doesn't care about culture, language, or geography. A video like this is just as engaging today as it will be 10 years from now. That's why this niche is evergreen and why these channels continue to grow and earn. But here's the challenge: how do you create videos like this without showing your face or spending hours editing? That's exactly where Vexub comes in. The first step is finding the perfect video topic, and you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Look at the videos that are already performing well on these channels. Pick one that will be your starting point. Next, you need a script, and here's a trick that saves hours. Take the video link, paste it into anthiogo.com, and it will scrap the full transcript for you. Then take the transcript, put into ChatGPT, and ask it to rewrite the script using a professional prompt. This will turn an existing video script into a fresh, engaging, and human-sounding YouTube script, ready to keep viewers hooked. I have shared the exact prompt in the description. If you want, you can check out. Now that you have your script, let's move to the vexub.com, log in, click on create a video, select text to video, and go to step 2. Pick the horizontal format, then click on step 3. Here you can choose a narrator and a voice. For this example, I am skipping the narrator and choosing this professional AI voice. Step 4 is where the magic happens. Paste your title and the script here. Vexub also has a script generation tool if you want to create from scratch, but for this niche, we are modifying existing scripts to ensure the content is evergreen and engaging. Finally, go to step 5. Select the visual style. For this type of content, I'm going with human videos, but you can experiment with stock footage, AI-generated clips, or other visual styles to match your theme. Then hit start generation. And just like that, Vexub creates your full video, voiceover, visuals, and subtitles in minutes. And now let's play the video.
Imagine this. You step out of a time machine and find yourself in prehistoric Argentina, roughly 6 to 9 million years ago, during the late Miocene epoch. The air is different. The land feels untouched. And suddenly, you're told something is hunting you. Your instincts kick in. You scan the horizon, left, right, behind you. Maybe you glance toward the ground.
A professional looking video without hours of editing, no recording, no face reveal. You can even customize further. Swap visuals, add AI-generated clips, change subtitles, or tweak audio. Play around until it perfectly matches your style and identity. This is how faceless creators are building channels in calm, cinematic, curiosity-driven niches, all with the help of one tool, Vexub. So if you have been thinking about starting a channel in this evergreen niche or want to see how AI can handle the heavy lifting, Vexub is your shortcut. Check it out, experiment with scripts and styles, and start building your YouTube empire today. And I want to hear from you. What niche you would like to create using Vexub? Drop your ideas in the comments and let's talk about it. I'll catch you in the next video.